So as usual, I start off with some moisturizer and then I put my primer after that. I am using the True Match foundation from L'Oreal Paris, and it is my absolute favorite. So here's a quick tip for blending. I wet my foundation brush with the moisturizer from earlier. I don't know about you can always use some water, but that's just me. I used the Lucas Paw Paw ointment for my lips to moisturize them. Then of course my favorite concealer from Maybelline, the Fit Me concealer. And then I used the same process of blending, so I also wet my concealer brush. It's really up to you if you want to follow. Then I apply some cream blush from Revlon on the apples of my cheeks. And of course, you can never go wrong with contour. I am contouring with my Wet n Wild contour bronzer. I also use a smaller brush to, make up for that nose because I am lacking in that department, unfortunately. So I'm setting them with my Nichido final powder in Ivory. So before I do my eyebrows, I like to brush them off like this just to keep the hair in place. And if you've seen my eyebrow tutorial, you'll know the steps to how I do my eyebrows. It's a whole new different story. So if you haven't seen that, then please go watch it. If you've noticed, I've been using this palette a lot. It's Lingerie by NYX. So I'm getting the orangey color as my transition shade. So I use a smaller blending brush and I get a brown color and I kind of just build up the color on my outer corners and just keep blending. Okay, so now I use a flat brush and with my concealer stick, I create a cut crease using it. I got this cream shadow which is very sparkly. I got it from Korea and I'm just gonna apply it on top of my cut crease. So I'm using this shimmering palette from Sleek that my sister gave me and I'm just going to apply that on top of my cut crease. So now we get a flat brush and we get the darkest color from the Lingerie palette and apply that on this part of my lids. I am using my eyebrow pencil to line my waterline. Now I go back to the Sleek palette and I highlight my brow bone and then my inner corners just to make my eyes pop. Now it's time to flick off the Nichido setting powder. So now we take a light brown eyeshadow and apply that to blend everything. I am using this very nice felt pen like eyeliner from the Face Shop. It's my favorite. So now it's time to curl your lashes and apply a generous amount of mascara. Then go add your falsies. This is also my favorite highlighter, Goddess of Love, also given by my sister. So I apply that on my nose and on my cheekbones. And then we apply some more blush, this time in powder. And then finish it off with your favorite lipstick. I figured this is a very perfect lips for graduation. It's not too nude, it's not too red. It's just right. And then you set it all with your setting spray. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to do more videos like this, then just hit subscribe.